guys, last week my family and I visited a beautiful freshwater lake where we set up tents, played games and even went fishing. Besides us, there were several others who were using their fishing poles and nets to fish. To my surprise, everyone caught different kinds of creatures like fish, crabs, snails and shrimp. We had an amazing time. While we were there, I couldn't help but wonder if all these creatures lived in different locations inside the lake. So I spoke to my science teacher about it, and this is what she told me. 70% of the earth is covered with water, but of the 70%, only 3% consist of freshwater bodies like rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. These freshwater bodies are home to many animals and plants that grow in their different zones. The shallow zone is near the land. This zone receives a lot of sunlight. The plants and animals here grow towards the edge of the water body. One can usually find snails, water insects, frogs and fish here. Predators like snakes, ducks, kingfishers and swans are also seen here. Because this zone receives a lot of sunlight, the plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The top zone of the freshwater ecosystem is the open water zone. It receives a lot of sunlight. A variety of freshwater fish with shiny scales is found here, along with small creatures like tadpoles, water bugs and shrimp. Because this zone receives sufficient sunlight, a variety of floating and submerged plants also grow here. The next zone is the middle zone, which is dimly lit and cold. Usually, bigger fish that feed on smaller fish are found here. The last zone is the bottom zone. This zone receives very little sunlight and sometimes it receives none. It is home to animals that feed on dead and decomposing living creatures. Freshwater turtles, crabs and eel are found in this zone. Plants and animals that live in the freshwater ecosystem depend on each other for food. Plants prepare their own food. Small fishes feed on plants and other small creatures like shrimp. Larger fishes eat these smaller fishes, and predators like birds and humans eat these largest fishes. Creatures like crab, catfish and eel, on the other hand, feed on dead and decaying plants and animal remains. This interdependence of plants and animals for food is called the food chain. Wow, that was fantastic! I can't wait to go fishing again. Maybe you could join me the next time. Alright then, bye!